Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your language skills with Rosetta Stone, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Rosetta Stone software or app installed on your device. Create a secure account using a strong password. Once logged in, navigate to your language of choice from the main dashboard. Begin with the foundational lessons to build a solid base in vocabulary and grammar. Utilize the speech recognition feature for pronunciation practice. Set daily goals to practice consistently and track your progress. Make use of the live tutoring sessions for personalized feedback. Engage with the interactive stories and games to reinforce learning in a fun way. Join the Rosetta Stone community forums to connect with fellow learners. Bookmark challenging words and phrases for easy review later. Incorporate language practice into your daily routine for maximum retention. Consider using Rosetta Stone's offline capabilities for learning on the go. Regularly revisit earlier lessons to refresh your memory and reinforce skills. Take advantage of the mobile app for practice whenever you have free time. Explore additional resources such as podcasts and videos in your target language. Stay motivated by setting milestones and rewarding yourself when you achieve them. Continuously challenge yourself by engaging in conversations with native speakers. Use language exchange platforms to practice speaking and writing. Remember to review your progress weekly to celebrate improvements and adjust your goals. With these steps, you can effectively protect and enhance your language skills using Rosetta Stone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.